Hi everyone, this is Neha. So today we are going to practice 10 minutes of workout for core strengthening. For absolute beginners, no matter where you are, you can start practicing along with us. So let's get started. So the first exercise to start with cycling. So what you're going to do, you're going to lie down on your back completely, interlock your both the fingers and keep it behind the head, and bend your both the knee up to tabletop. This has to be here, straight 90 degree and 90 degree. So you're going to get your right elbow to left knee, start 1 and another knee goes straight and change. Same thing other side. That's it. So let us start for 10 counts. 1, change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, change, 5, change, 6, change, 7, change, 8, change, 9, change, 10, change and relax. Drop your hands down, legs down, relax. Release your hands, you can keep your hands next to the body. This is for absolute beginners. If you want to work on your stomach, work on your core, to strengthen it, to lose the belly fat, you can start from here. Okay, so take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Next one is also very easy. All you have to do is just simple leg raises from 10 degrees to 70 degrees up and down. Okay, for extra support, if you want, you can keep your both the hands below the hip. Remember, keep your stomach tight. You should not put any stress on the spine. Let's start. 1, up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, Raghu little slow, 6, try to do slower, that's helpful, 7, 8, 9 and the last one, 10 and drop it down. While doing this, if you think your straight knees are being difficult for you to hold and practice, then you can also keep your knees slightly bent. Okay. Now relax your stomach, take a deep breath in. Deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out. So third one, scissors. All you have to do is you have to keep moving your legs up and down simultaneously. Okay, let's start. Lift your legs up to just 10 degrees off the mat. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raghu, go a little slow. 6, 7. Continue. Don't give up. 8, 9 and 10. Drop your legs down, relax. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Relax your stomach quickly for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once you feel a little better, let's move on to the next one, where we are going to lift your legs up 60 degree and you're going to keep your both the legs apart from each other and then hold there for 10 counts. Okay, ready? Let's start. Legs together. Now lift your both the legs up 60 degree. Perfect. You're going to keep your legs a little apart from each other. Hold. Little more wider, little more wider. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Drop it down. Relax your stomach. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. The next one, a simple posture, hollow body hold. Here you're going to lift your both the hands over the head on the floor. You're going to lift your hands and your legs 30 degrees off the mat and you're just going to hold. Neck, either you can lift up or drop it down on the head, you can on the floor. So you can choose whatever works well for you. Now lift your hands and legs up 30 degrees. Just hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Place your hands on the stomach. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, relax. A quick break from your postures to relax your stomach. Next one, we are going to practice half plank. We are going to hold in half plank for 10 counts. Okay. Now open your eyes. Let's slowly turn around. Prepare yourself for half plank. Just drop your elbows down. Drop your elbows down. Now lift your knee up and come to half plank. Okay. Here drop your hip little more down. Make sure that you don't drop your hip too down. Just hold here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, don't give up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Drop your stomach down. Cross your hands and drop your head down. A quick break. Relax. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So the next one, full plank. So just like half plank, you need to get your legs closer. Come on your palm and then lift your entire body on your arms. We're going to hold here for next 10 counts. Stay there. 10, 9. Keep your stomach slightly engaged. 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold on. 4, 3, 2. Don't give up. 1.5 and 1. Drop your knee down and relax. Come to child posture here. A quick break. Now we have the last workout to be done for our stomach, and that would be, you're going to be in full plank and all you have to do is let your right knee touch the right elbow, take it back, left knee touch the left elbow, take it back. Okay, come on guys, come to full plank. We're just going to do this 10 counts both the sides. Okay, little more forward, full plank. Right, start. 1, change. 2, change, you go a little slow. 3, change. 4, change. 5, change. 6, change. 7, change. 8, change. 9, change. 10 and change. That's it. Relax, come to child posture. When you use your core muscles, right, you can feel that they're all getting little tighter when you work on them. So remember to do 2 stretches, because when you do a core workout, you're stressing your stomach as well as your spine. So there is one stretch for the stomach and one stretch for the spine. The first one, come to Bhujangasana, lie down on the stomach, palm next to the chest. This is for the spine and stomach both. Keep your palm next to the chest. Now slowly lift your chest all the way up. Bhujangasana. Here, try to keep your elbow straight, because when you lift your elbow, only then you can feel the stretch in your stomach as well. Just stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come down. From here, soon after this, turn around and lie down on your back. Okay. Open up your both the arms to the shoulder level. Keep your both the hands wide open. Bend your both the knee. Keep your heels on the floor. Yes. But keep your heels slightly apart from each other. Now as you inhale, that is too much of distance. Get them slightly together. Yes. So as you inhale, you're going to drop your both the knee to the right hand side. Drop your knee to the right and turn your head to the left. A mild twist to the spine. Now same thing the other side. Shift, change. You have to change your neck also accordingly. Change. The last one where we are going to hold for just 5 counts. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come to center. Now bend your both the knee to the chest. Give a tight hug to yourself once. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release. So that's it for today guys. If you want to feel little more, you can repeat this session again. So I have already made couple of more series before. So if you want to, you can practice them, and in the end for 10 minutes you can add the session as your core workout. Remember not to practice this every day. You have to keep your abs day every second or third day. So today as we practice first with Vijay, how was the experience Vijay? How do you feel your stomach?
I can feel my stomach burning.
Yeah, you can feel it. Awesome. Raghu, how was it?
Yeah, it was really amazing.
Awesome. And you tell me in your comments how did you feel and how much your stomach felt during the practice. And also if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in new video. Till then, keep practicing and stay healthy. Thank you.